Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 21st to the 27th of September. So we're going to be looking at a bunch of deals, curbside, in-store, and so on and so forth. The first one we're looking at is curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store, and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside order. Hitting the box on the left-hand side with a green check. Let's get right into it with deal number one. Now, I know a lot of you are really into the fancier line that is Quilted Northern, and I do not blame you. Currently, we have a $1 digital coupon to accompany that. It's a $10 for that 6-pack. That is some savings right there. So we're going to throw it into a basket. And then the next item we're going to grab is one of these Scott's 12ers for $5. We have a $1.25 store coupon and a $1 digital coupon. So it's going to make this guy like $2.75. We're going to look at this deal in store as well. And then the last item we're going to get is a $3.99 Kleenex or facial tissue. I guess Kleenex is a brand name. It's just called facial tissue, but same thing, for $3.99, and this is the Walgreens brand. It's 3 boxes and they're pretty sizable. Okay, so just to show you the course line here, we have $1 for Scott, $1.25, which is the store coupon, WAG 10 taking $1 off, and then for Quilted Northern an additional $1 off. So that is called Not Too Shabby. The overall total for this magic is $15.98. $2.25 with WAG 10 and the store coupon. We have a bit of tax and $2 in manufacturers. So the total here is $12.55. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you just want to get this on the cheap for $2.55. Alternatively, if you might have this booster of spend 10 to earn back 10 and you want to use it in this transaction, you'd have to pay the balance with your debit card and you'd be awarded back $10 in Walgreens cash. This is of a one-time use, so if you already used it, sorry, Charlie, but if you were just looking for a great toilet paper deal, any deal $10 or more should work. And with that $1.25 store coupon in the first basket, we're past it with the $12, so it should still work for you. Now we are in store for the rest of the deals. This next one's involving a register reward, so any sort of register reward, you have to do these specifically in store because that's how they print. It's $6.99 for an Angel Soft, and we have a 50-cent digital for this friend. And then the Brawny, which is this 2-pack, but it's actually quite a bit of paper towel. The 2 equals 6, so they're massive rolls. We have a $1 digital. Alternatively, if you just wanted to grab 2 Brawny, there's also a 50-cent for the Brawny, so you would just load the 50-center plus the $1 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of each in store at $6.99 a pop, that's $13.98. Subtracting the $1.50 in digital coupons, you'll pay $12.48. Get back a $3 register reward. And then it makes it $9.48 for the 2 or $4.74 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But I recommend if you have register rewards, say from Garnier the previous week or this week the Tresemme or something like that, throw it in for a smaller out-of-pocket, get your money to work for you. The next deal we're looking at is just to grab one of these little cutie pies for $5 in store. We currently have a $1.25 store coupon and a $1 manufacturer that will stack on this product. And we're just going to grab one because that $1.25 store will attach. It's not like a buy one, get one 50% off. But grabbing one of these, it's $5, subtracting your manufacturer $1 plus the $1.50 store coupon. It'll be $2.75 for this 12-pack. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And with this pack, I know it's not everybody's favorite, but with everything going on in the world, a lot of us are trying to really build a stockpile of paper. And when you can get one of these for $2.75 using $2 of Walgreens cash and paying 75 cents plus tax, it's exactly what we're talking about right now. Last little deal we're going to look at is deal number 4, and I just wanted to point this out. 2 for $10 for these 3 packs of the Kleenex Ultra Soft. If you are like brand loyal. Obviously, Kleenex and Puffs are one of the two lines. To pay $5 when it's usually $6.99 per box, so just under $7. That's not bad. If you have extra register rewards or $10 in Walgreens cash you just want to blow through, I think this is smart to stock up right now. Okay, so before Aunt Rach runs off into the big sunset, I think it is a very smart time right now when you can get Scott toilet paper for $2.75. Stock up, stock up. I was on various apps today looking at native deodorant. It's up $4 across the board at all stores. Stuff like deodorant in a can also up. Coffee, chocolate chips. I know there's a cocoa shortage, so there's some reasoning for those prices to rise. But I think as preppers and extreme couponers, when we can find a deal, make it happen. I just think it is a really smart thing to do right now. That's it for this video. Yesterday video linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.